To get started, I will cut my avocado in small pieces and I will place it in my blender cup. Avocado contains a lot of nutrients which are good for hair and can strengthen our hair. The next thing I will add for this hair mask will be aloe vera leaves. I love using aloe vera gel on her hair because just her skin get dry, her scalp get dry too. And using aloe vera gel on her hair protects her hair against any inflammation or dryness her hair can have. Next, I'm going to add 2 spoons of fenugreek powder. Fenugreek powder or fenugreek seed promote hair growth. Next, I'm going to add my new favorite oil, avocado oil. I'm only going to put a little bit and then we are going to mix it all up and our hair mask is ready. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing that like button and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. And why not share this video with your friend, family or anyone you know. Now that my hair mask is ready, I will put this on my daughter's hair who has 4C hair. Stay tuned until the end of the video to see how I will transform this hair mask to be the perfect hair mask for sandy brown hair. To make this hair mask perfect for sandy brown hair, I will add yogurt. Yogurt balances the pH of our scalp and can help with hair loss. And I will be adding 2 spoons of yogurt. Now I will add 1 egg as a source of protein. This hair mask is for my daughter's hair who has sandy brown hair. Sandy brown hair need extra protein for their hair. It is very important to know what kind of hair do you have so you can know what kind of hair mask you have to make for your hair. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing the like button and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. And why not share this video with your friend, family or anyone you know. After mixing it all together, I will be putting this on my daughter's hair. Let me know in the comment below what kind of hair do you have. Do you have type C, type B, sandy brown hair? Because I realize that it's really important to know what type of hair you have so you can know what type of hair mask you have to make for your hair. Because sometimes we make just any kind of hair mask and sometimes you can just do any hair mask that is not appropriate for your hair. Let me know if you already do the test to know what type of hair do you have or you are planning to do the test so you can know what type of hair mask you have to do for your hair. After putting it all over her hair, I will let her sit with it for about 30 minutes or so. It's now over 30 minutes. Now I'm going to proceed with my regular wash day routine. But before I do that, I'm going to make sure to massage her scalp to stimulate hair growth. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you on our next one. Bye.